everyone, and welcome to the first in our mRNA series. Today we're going to be talking about a new option for vaccines and therapies, and I'm joined here with Lam W. Ling, VP Scientific Advisory at Catalan Biologics. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you.
So we have a big topic today, so I want to get us started with the baseline of what is mRNA.
Well, Megan, mRNA is messenger RNA. It's a nucleic acid made naturally by the body from DNA in your genome. Now, genes encoded in your DNA are transcribed into RNA, which are then translated into proteins.
As COVID, took over the world, all I heard about was mRNA and how this vaccine was changing up how we did things. So I wanted to ask you, why did mRNA become a household name during the COVID-19 pandemic?
Several companies were investigating mRNA as potential therapies and vaccine prior to the pandemics. But mRNA made the household name during COVID-19 pandemic because several companies developed mRNA-based COVID vaccine. If you receive a COVID vaccine or booster that was developed by Moderna or Pfizer, BioNTech, then you received an mRNA vaccine.
What other indications is it being evaluated for besides COVID-19?
Even prior to the pandemic, mRNA therapies were being developed to treat a variety of diseases such as cancer, cystic fibrosis, lung diseases, cardiac diseases, amongst other indications. In addition, mRNA vaccines were being developed to prevent infectious diseases such as the flu, cytomegalovirus virus, and other pathogens. Now, another application of mRNA has been the use for personalized cancer vaccines. mRNA can be developed to train the immune system to target specific markers on patients' tumors and help the body identify and rid itself of these tumorigenic cells. Because COVID accelerated the approval of the first mRNA product, the COVID vaccine, the pipeline has grown significantly over the past several years for all of these applications.
I feel like a lot of the things you listed are reasons to be excited about mRNA, but to ask, why are people so excited about the potential of mRNA for vaccine and therapies?
Well, mRNA is exciting because it's a promising new modality because it represents the faster option to develop therapies and vaccine against critical diseases. Now, the manufacturing process of mRNA can be developed and scaled up more quicker than other biologics.
So how can Catalent support mRNA therapeutics and vaccines?
Well, Catalan has the capability to support mRNA development, manufacturing, from plasmid DNA to in vitro transcription and purification, to lipid nanoparticle formulation, to fill finish, and clinical and commercial supply, as well as analytical expertise to characterize these mRNA and the LNP product. And also, our facility in the US and Europe are designed to be flexible to the scale and the process that is best for the mRNA product. And our teams have deep expertise in the mRNA development, manufacturing, and analytical testing.
So based on your expertise and your work with Catalent, what are the challenges in the mRNA market right now?
The manufacturing process for mRNA is unique from other biologics. So the industry is still coming up to speed and training the scientists on how to develop and scale these manufacturing process. mRNA is less stable than other biologics, so it could be a challenge to develop the mRNA therapies and vaccines in order to keep them stable and be able to withstand the shipment and storage long enough to deliver to the patient. There is a lot of innovation right now on new technology to overcome these challenges. And the future is bright and for mRNA, and it's going to be exciting.
I'm really excited about it, and I think you've given us such a wonderful overview. So I want to thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you, Megan.
Stay tuned for the second episode in this series.